Pranam to all. This is Manish Daga from Cotton Guru Group, a fifth generation company from India since 1903. Cotton and India have a very long relationship. India, till the beginning of the 12th century, was one of the leading economies in the world, and cotton textiles played a very important role. Till the beginning of the British rule, India was leading in textile exports and lot of other things like spices, but still cotton remained one of the major commodities that India and Indians should be proud of. But the fact also remains that over 4 lakh farmers have committed suicide in the last 20 years. What is this charismatic and enigmatic relationship between cotton and Indian farmers? Over 25 million farmers still continue to grow cotton in India. So, cotton still plays a very important role in our rural economy. What India needs to produce is not doctors, engineers, and technocrats anymore. What Cotton Guru feels that right now we should be producing top class farmers and agri technocrats. That is the need of the hour. Over 120 lakh hectares of land under cotton, but we are still lacking behind in yield. We can lead in each and every aspect of cotton and textiles if we play our cards carefully and smartly. Cotton Guru Parivar invites all of you on occasion of World Cotton Day to share your views, expressions in any way that you feel. It may be videos, audios, paintings, poems, essays, anything that you feel is right to describe the relationship between cotton and Indian farmers and the impact on ecosystem. So on upcoming World Cotton Day, I again invite all of you representing Cotton Group Parivar, who has a family of over 1 lakh farmers and over 100 farmer producer companies who depend on us for advisory services and for marketing assistance. So, we again welcome all of you. Please share your views freely, openly on this platform, and we will all celebrate together World Cotton Day such that cotton again continues to play a very important role in socio-economic development of rural economy.